If your Samsung calendar looks too plain or too crowded with similar colors, you can actually change how bright or mute your event colors appear. This helps your schedule look cleaner or more colorful depending on your style. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap Setting. Tap Change Calendar Style. Under Event Colors, you will see four options: very mute, mute, bright, and very bright. For example, if you have many schedules and want them to look calmer, choose mute. As a note, you can preview the look at the top instantly, so just tap around until you find the vibe you like. Once you are happy with it, close the setting and the change will be applied instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.